Hey, what's good, y'all? It's Dudene again from KOFFI Noir, and I know it's been a long time, but hey, we have an unboxing for you. It's a couple clients' orders that just came through today, so without further ado, let's dive in real quick. Here we have our Sekou trainer in a medium brown calf leather with some burnishing on here as well. As you can see, it came out really nice. I like the way the shoes turned out. This client was looking for something that he can wear with suits, something that he can wear, in casual settings as well. And I recommended that he go with a medium brown or a brown type leather shoe with the white sole. He can dress this up, dress this down, and really use this as a versatile piece to bring some some uniqueness and some diversity to his wardrobe or whatnot. So with that, he opted for these, and he also opted for, which I think is like my favorite version of the Sekou, is this woven pattern of the Sekou trainer. It has this suede heel tab on the back, this off-white sort of woven calf leather. As you can see here, this is all woven on the upper. Also has a white sole as well. And yeah, I mean, between both of these shoes, he's most definitely going to be able to do a lot of things with this. Dress it up, dress it down. He'll never feel like he's out of place, and more importantly, he's always going to look good. So I think that's like the key, which is super important. So with that, planning on sending these out. I think, well, tomorrow is a holiday, but planning on having these sent out this week. So can't wait to see his reaction. And then lastly, we have here, as you guys know, this is one of my favorite loafers at KOFFI Noir, which is our Wayne Wedge loafer. This one, client opted for the Horsebit option instead of the tassel. Usually I have tassels on ours, but this particular client wanted to go with the Horsebit, so we provided him with a gold Horsebit chain. He also opted for an off-white Vibram wedge sole. And I mean, for me, I'm glad that he chose burgundy, by the way. Burgundy is often a color that is underutilized, I will say. It's very slept on. I treat burgundy like a brown because you can wear burgundy with almost everything as well. You can, it's just a different way of executing any type of outfit that you have. And I'm glad that I was able to get this created for him. Also, another unique thing I want to make sure I highlight is the lining. So this particular client opted for our lilac, or basically our purple lining. I don't know if you can see it really well, which I think is super awesome, because when I think about when a person is putting on their shoes or taking their shoes off, I think about other people that are watching, right? When you pull these shoes off and you see this flash of purple pop out, like as you're taking the shoes off, that's most definitely going to catch your attention, even though it's just a lining. But still, like, I mean, come on now, that's super dope. So of course we have our Nubia shoe trees. Again, guys, you want to take care of your shoes, make sure you have shoe trees. Like, super important. But with that, super ecstatic about the way that they came out. Also, these will be getting delivered with the other client's shoes, so we're going to send these out also, and can't wait to see his reaction. This particular client also signed up for our styling curation service. So not only did we start with the shoes, which I think is the foundation, we are also going to go find him some suits, some different options, and really walk him through the whole process of actually different ways that he can style this shoe, and helping him navigate that shopping experience when it comes to looking for trousers, for suits, suit separate shirts, things that are like super important to enhancing his overall style. So I'm super excited for that. So yeah, with that being said, that's been our unboxing. In the comments below, let me know what you guys think. Do you guys like this woven version of the Sekou trainer, or are you a fan of just the cognac or medium brown, with some burnishing, leather sneaker, something real simple? Or how would y'all style this Horsebit Wayne Wedge loafer? Yeah, no doubt. So yeah, before we get out of here, I do want to make sure everyone knows that as of last month, we had launched our SAPE Capsule collection, which is going to feature varying accessory pieces to go along with your shoes. So right now we have the KOFFI NOIR Crewneck Sweater that's currently up right now. We're currently taking pre-orders on that crewneck sweater. It comes in 3 colors: black, navy, and maroon. We're going to be taking pre-orders for the next couple weeks or so, but it is going to be ending soon. So if you haven't had the opportunity to purchase a KOFFI NOIR Crewneck Sweater from us, we highly suggest that you get over there and make sure you place your order. And then we hope to have the crewneck sweaters out to everyone by Christmas or no later than the first week of January. Super excited about this part of KOFFI NOIR. This development is we have gotten requests for us to offer some t-shirts, some sweaters, maybe some hats, neckerchiefs, right? We also have hosiery that's almost done with completion or whatnot. So for those of y'all that need socks, we will have socks for you that you can take and pair with your shoes. We understand the importance of having accessories, right? That is what ultimately enhances the overall a person's overall style, right? Having certain accessory pieces that stand out, that speak to them, and we want to make sure that we provided that for everyone that supports us. So yeah, with that being said, I want to thank everyone for supporting KOFFI NOIR. We're going on almost 4 years now, and it's just been an amazing journey, and we really appreciate your continued support. And in the meantime, yeah, you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys next time. Us at KOFFINOIR.com. You can email us at info@KOFFINOIR.com. Also, you can find us on Instagram at info@KOFFINOIR. And yeah, if you want something, hit us up. We got you. Until next time, y'all stay blessed. Peace.